Hello everybody, welcome back to Grassroots NASCAR Racing. My name is Scott and I am just your average American guy who loves the sport of NASCAR and wants to share that with you. So today I'm just going to do a little chore that I've been putting off because I'm just so busy with other things, but it needs to get done. And that's cleaning the Mello Yello car from North Wilkesboro. I still haven't done that yet. I'm just going to go through and do the outside, but I wanted to take you along, show you what I'm using, and we'll see what the finished product looks like. So let's see what I got here. So these are the things that I'm going to be using. This is just a general detailer, just spray on, wipe off detailer. It works really good. This is going to be for the windshield. This one's just more of a cleaner. This is more of like a polish. There is a number 3 that is a much more abrasive one, but I'm not going to use that. And then this stuff I'll just spray on the rag and try and touch the areas like this where rubber has built up. You know, all these little rubber hits, and also on the hood. But over the whole car, I don't know if you can see it, I already ran like a duster over it to get the dust off, but see all those spots? I think those are just oil spots from the cars, you know, that were around me. And that's what I need to get off. So I'm gonna go through, do that, do the windshield. Unfortunately, one of the workers while I was there that night, so we were parked in the grass at North Wilkesboro on the outside of turn 3. And once it got dark, it was pretty humid. So our cars, the windshields and stuff, were getting moisture on them. So when it was our time to go out, we couldn't see. So at some point, a worker came up with like a paper towel and tried to wipe down the water off my windshield. Well, there was still a bunch of dust and stuff from the track from the previous time that I'd been out there. And man, it puts fine scratches over about 2/3 of the windshield, unfortunately. So I'm gonna try tonight to get that out. But what I'm gonna do just half the car. I'll do just half and show you the finished results, clean side, dirty side, and then I'll finish up the other side. So let's dig into it. Okay, so the car is half done. Let me show you how it's coming along. I was real pleased with the polish on the windshield. It actually got the little rubber bits off, so that's good. The windshield, I still need to polish it a little more to get the rest of the scratches out, but it's coming up pretty good. So let me show you. You can see the car now does not have those spots here. As we go over, there they all are again. So one side is nice and shiny, the other side still has spots. Windshield is coming along pretty good. But that detail sprayer just works really good. Gets it nice and clean. And over here it's still dirty. So it's coming along good, nice and shiny again. I'm happy about that. Let's get to the other side. You should see it pretty good here. There's clean. Oh, I went all the way across on this. Why did I do that? Yeah, I went all the way across on here. Oops. Yeah, there you can see all the spots. All right, let's do the other half. right, everybody, that is it. The car is done. It's all nice and clean again. Let's take a look at her. She's all nice and shiny. And I'll tell you what, that spray that I was a little bit nervous about using to get the rubber off, it worked awesome. Like, look at this. There's no more rubber spots anywhere. Nose is nice and clean. Everywhere, even behind the wheels here. I mean, it came out great. So yeah, don't be afraid to use that stuff. What's it called here? Let's see. That's it right there. And I believe I bought that, I can't remember if I bought that at SRI or Circle Track Warehouse out there in Mooresville. I think it was Circle Track Warehouse, but yeah, they've got some great parts and good stuff. So anyway, car turned out great. Ready for the next car show. And we'll see you next time. Take care.